Chapter 34 The Alliance Irava. In the morning, Voltaire meets me, as he said, in the servants' corridor behind the kitchens. The random servant I chose to disguise myself as is actually a stern matron in my mother's household, late 30s, brown hair always so tight that if this wasn't an illusion, I'm sure I'd have a headache. I've never liked this servant, but no one, absolutely no one questions her. She always knows what she's about. I'm doing my best to project that air now, but when I drop my illusion of shadows in an alcove and wave Voltaire over, he stops, crosses his arms, and looks me up and down. It's a distinctly dubious look that I'm certain I don't deserve, because I did get the details right. What? I ask. He shrugs, his shoulders tight. We'd better get going. The dowager's already at the cathedral. I swallow. I'd heard one of the servants say as much when I'd been waiting for Voltaire, concealed in an alcove in the corridor. Voltaire's jaw looks just as tense as I feel. "What should I call you?" he asks. "If anyone asks." "Kima," I say. It's the name of the servant whose illusion I'm wearing. "Good enough." He frowns, gives me another dubious look, but then he starts off down the corridor, and I follow. "You're giving me weird looks," I say under my breath as I catch up beside him. He's quiet for a few heartbeats. "Do you like switching illusions? I mean, being different people?" It's my turn to give him a look, because I don't really know what he's asking. He seems serious, though. "I don't mind it," I say cautiously, and then we both shut up as a group of servants come through the corridor, chatting and laughing. It feels weird to see other people going about their lives when we're so tense, when we're going to do what we're going to do. Voltaire picks up his pace. We should hurry. The dowager is consistent in her devotions, but she doesn't always stay for the full services. He eyes me again as we wind through the service corridors. "You've got freckles in an asymmetrical pattern. That's a really specific detail for a random servant." "Keep your voice down," I hiss as we start up a plain staircase. "And yes, it's someone I know." "Is Caleb someone you know?" "I am Caleb," I snap. He stops at the top of the stairs, holds up a hand. "What I mean is," he says, in a low voice, "is there someone out there who, if the king were to meet him, it would be a massive problem?" I swallow. "No, Caleb is just me." And he is. Caleb is someone I crafted from everything I thought would help me here in Borella. Everything I thought I might want to be if I was a man. I hadn't thought he'd catch the eye of the king.